There is no secret in the fact that gum disease is no fun at all. It causes pain, swelling, and bleeding in your teeth and gums and can contribute to the loss of your adult teeth. Gum disease can be hard to detect until the condition is so advanced that it is hard to reverse, so proper oral care and a regular examination by a dental professional are critical. There are some remedies for gum disease, and the condition can be reversed. The sooner the disease is caught, the easier it is to get rid of, and there are many remedies for it. Many people choose to go the natural route when it comes to treating gum disease, and that is for a variety of reasons. If you are interested in giving some of the natural gum disease remedies a try, there are many to choose from. Read on for the top 3 natural cures for gum disease and more information on how you can apply them to yourself. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is one of the more popular natural remedies for gum disease. Since the mouth is constantly rinsing and cleaning itself, there is a gel form of tea tree oil that seems to work the best. It sticks to the area better than its oily counterpart and does a lot better job at treating the gum disease. At the same time, it helps to soothe the discomfort and swelling associated with gum disease and reduce the bleeding. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is another one of the popular natural remedies for gum disease, along with a variety of other ailments. It helps to reduce the amount of bacteria that sits in and around the teeth and gums, drastically reducing the effects of gingivitis and helping to prevent it in cases that have not yet developed. Cranberry juice also helps to clean out the urinary tract and promotes good health in general, so including it in your daily regimen is a good idea for more reasons than one. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is another popular and effective natural remedy for gum disease. It has inherent anti-inflammatory effects, so the swelling and inflammation that is normally associated with gum disease is not so much of a problem with this treatment. Also, people who have high enough levels of vitamin D in their system already are less prone to getting gum disease in the first place. In this sense, vitamin D is not only a natural cure but also a preventative. Omega-3. Studies are now showing that increasing your intake of omega-3 essential fatty acids can also have a beneficial effect on the prevention and treatment of periodontal disease. A study in Japan found that those older people with lower levels of DHA were more susceptible to gum disease by a factor of 50%. This makes sense as the essential fatty acids known as omega-3 fatty acids have very effective anti-inflammatory properties, and gum disease is primarily an inflammatory condition. There are many powerful health reasons for increasing your daily intake of DHA and EPA right from birth, given that almost all of us are deficient in these essential fatty acids primarily found in fish oil. Studies have shown many health benefits from daily omega-3 supplementation. These benefits now include prevention of, or treatment of periodontal disease. Other health benefits of omega-3 supplementation include a reduction in the risk of death from heart disease. Dental patients have a range of health reasons to seriously consider omega-3 supplementation if they are not doing so already. Oral balm. Oral balm. A good oral balm has natural ingredients within it. An oral balm such as Nature's Smile has such natural ingredients as oak, silver fir, pine tree carotene extract, chamomile, yarrow, St. John's wort, and nettle. All of these ingredients together form a balm that kills the bacteria that causes periodontal disease. There are many ways to go about preventing gum disease, but even the best laid plans sometimes fail. It always helps to have a treatment plan in place, and natural remedies are the obvious choice, especially when traditional methods may have failed in the past.